you guys remember this robe that I made? So when I made this robe, guys, this robe wound up having a nice little gap, little split. I should have made it a little bit bigger. So what I'm doing today, I'm making some shorts that go with it. So if you guys see, I already got one side of the shorts made. I got the other sides and I hemmed it over. So guys, when you're making shorts, they go right sides together. So when you put it in, this is going to be the right side. So I'm going to actually put these shorts together. So I put that side inside, guys, and I'm going to click it right here at where the leg is, and then I'm going to sew it on around, guys. And then I'm going to thread the elastic in there. I already cut the elastic because, yeah, I noticed it was a nice gap, and if I wouldn't have on them leggings, then I wouldn't feel all the way comfortable wearing it. So I'm about to make the shorts to go with this robe, and then we'll put the elastic in. So I'm going to sew this all the way around and around on the other side, and then, guys, I'm going to put the elastic in next. So just wanted to show you guys. Alrighty, I'll come back. Bye. Guys, so if you can see, the shorts are connected, and the next step is, guys, I am going to fold this down so that I can insert the elastic in. I'm going to sew this around, and then the last step is come back through and thread the elastic, and then I'll try it on and show you guys what it looked like. All right. Last step, I'm going to thread the elastic around. I put it on the safety pin. So now, guys, I'm just going to take it, thread it all the way around, and then I'll sew the last part closed, and I'm going to try this on, guys, and let you see what it looked like. So I'm just threading elastic around the shorts. All right. All right, so right here, I'm just going to take it, and we're going to sew this part closed, the elastic. Cut off the excess. And I'm going to close that other part off. So I'm pulling the elastic, guys. Okay, so there they go. They're all done. Now I'm just going to try them on with the robe. Alrighty, guys. Hey, guys, so here's the finishing results. So, guys, I did the shorts with it because I noticed, like, when I did it, guys, maybe if I'd have had, you know, made it a little bit bigger. So, like, with the split and everything in it, the crisscross, I noticed that it had a gap right here. And I'm like, oh, if I'm doing videos and don't have on my leggings, that this one probably wouldn't work. I always would have to have on some leggings or something. So I had a little fabric left over, guys. So I just went and made some shorts. So made them more like, they're not like fitted like booty shorts, more like, I guess, boxer shorts. I kind of made them like that, guys. So this is the finishing results, guys. And I added shorts to this robe set. So you guys have an awesome day. And the next up project, I'm probably going to work on that tomorrow, guys. I got another rabbit hide in. And I'm going to put a lining in this one. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So that's coming up tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Gina, you want to say hi? Huh? Come on. Well, do you want to say hi or not? Come on. Okay, he acting crazy. Bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple still shots. So, guys, if you want to make this and it wind up being not enough fabric, you can add some shorts to it, guys, to your little robe dress and add some shorts. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.